Now that you've decluttered, organized, and deep cleaned, your house is ready to hit the market. You're probably exhausted and thinking, I need a break. Well, my friend, get ready for round 2, because being prepared for the showings is more important than ever. Buyers have more choices now, and you definitely want your home to stand out. To make sure your home is show ready, you may want to consider hiring a weekly cleaning service or landscapers. It's a small investment, but well worth it. You also got to make sure you change your furnace filters. In order to make a good first impression before showings, you want to make all the beds, turn on all the lights, and open all the blinds. A light and bright home is way more desirable to potential buyers. Now, when you know you have a scheduled showing, you may not want to cook meals that leave strong odors, no garlic or fish. But I don't recommend using those strong air fresheners either. Buyers may think that you're trying to mask something if you have those Glade fresheners all over the house. One of my favorite products to use is Fresh Wave. The Fresh Wave gel absorbs without adding any strong smells in the air, and it's made with botanical plant oils. As a mother of 4 kids, 2 dogs, and a turtle, I use it all over my house. In my mudroom, my kids' closets, the laundry room, literally everywhere. Any extra boxes of clutter should be neatly stored in the garage or a designated space in the basement. As much as possible, move kids' toys to one designated area, like a playroom, their bedrooms, or even the basement. Showings are typically scheduled through an app called Showing Time, and you'll get a text alert when a buyer requests a showing. Keep in mind that both buyer's agents and seller's agents get the same text alert, but it's your job to confirm or decline the showings right from your smartphone. Here's an example. You accept a showing for, say, tomorrow between 10 and 10:30 a.m. You want to leave the house with kids and dogs in tow at least 15 minutes before the showing in case they show up a few minutes early. And you'll want to return 15 minutes after the end of the showing, so around 11:45 a.m. in case they're running late. You can pretty much expect to be out of the house for about an hour per showing. Buyer's agents will usually access your home through an electronic central lock box, and a typical showing only lasts approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Unless you have a very large home, it can last longer. And if the buyers are in and out quickly, don't worry. That doesn't necessarily mean that they don't love your home. Many buyers spend a lot of time studying photos, floor plans, and video before they even step foot inside of your home. Here's a bonus tip. Buyers love it when sellers leave mini bottles of water, cookies, granola bars, or a bowl of candy on the kitchen island. With more homes to see, many buyers are house hunting for hours on end, and they really appreciate a little snack in between, and that will make a lasting impression and help them remember your home over all the others. We realize it can be very stressful keeping your home clean and having it show ready at a moment's notice, but I promise you all your hard work will pay off, and it's worth it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and leave your comments and questions below.